Samsung's Galaxy Active series, and increasingly ruggedized wearables, have helped establish the company's prowess as the only true champion for more active, or careless, mobile consumers. Starting with the Galaxy S4 Active, Samsung began offering IP67 waterproofing, years before it was a flagship standard, and rugged design, which has now expanded to military standard certifications and drop tests, extreme temperatures, and IP68 waterproofing. Year after year these active variants have been released shortly after Samsung's Galaxy flagship, often tweaking small aspects of inner hardware to match the outer theme. This year we see arguably the Android phone of the year, the Galaxy S8, step up 1000 mAh in battery size, and gain all the rugged military-grade hardware to produce the Galaxy S8 Active. But in a world where IP67 is the norm for flagship phones, some even offer shatterproof displays. Is the Active series still needed? Let's examine what it brings to the table. In the box. Galaxy S8 Active. USB-A to USB-C adapter, female to male. Micro USB to USB-C adapter, female to male. USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Adaptive fast charging wall plug. Warranty and getting started guide. Though the Infinity display isn't in full effect here, with its typically curved design and near bezel-less edges, you'll still find the rounded corners and high screen-to-body ratio, 75%, which buyers so loved on the regular S8. Though the 5.8-inch screen size is the same for the two, the metal, plastic casing that comprises the Active's protective bulk brings that ratio down some from the original S8's 84% ratio. Samsung's trademark Super AMOLED technology looks just as good on the Active as on the S8 before it, even without the curved edges. Capable of brightness that can stare back undaunted at the sun's rays, but also lower far enough for comfortable night reading, we have little to complain about here, although it's still susceptible to the ills of any AMOLED display. Colors are pleasing to look at, albeit super saturated with less than perfect viewing angles which produce a bluish hue as the phone is tilted. Color accuracy can be tweaked to an extent by utilizing various color modes and sliders found in the display settings, though we found most tweaks to affect red balances more than anything, never quite giving us proper color representation. Although somewhat bluish, we found the default adaptive display mode to be the most pleasing to look at. Meeting the same resolution as the S8 and S7 Active, the S8 Active produces 1440 by 2960 pixels. It's a quite pleasing screen to view pictures and video, or consume content of any kind. But of course, its 18.5:9 ratio still lends itself to cropping or letterboxing in most video watching scenarios. So, as always, pick your poison.